Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How to add more photos on a single news you are being shown. First of all, you have to go to your specific news. Like you would like to add more images this picture, this news. Okay. Then you go to edit post. Okay. You have to click visual mode. There is a visual mode. Suppose you would like to add more pictures here. After clicking there, you have to click enter button. Fine. There is an option to upload more pictures. Click here. If you'd like to use existing picture, just you can click. No problem. Okay. Now, if we update the news, what will be? Let's see. Well, there is a news where there are two pictures, but this picture isn't set properly. What should we do? You have to click this picture, then you will get a few options. Click here, edit option. What type of picture do you want to show? Is it medium or full? Full. If you click full, you have to click none, then update. Let's see what's the result. This is the system. In this way, you can use it on right side. After clicking this here, and medium, you can use it small size 300 by 201. Update and click again update option, then check what has been happened. And this is the system. Now the picture is in left side. If you would like to use right side, there are same systems. Okay, is right and medium, no problem. Update. Yes, you have to click the update option and check what has been done. This is the system. If you would like to more picture, you can use it in this way. Try, or if you can't do it, just let me know. You will taught it, inshallah. Thank you.